Micro Mission 20! Let's get scrappy! No, my uncle told me, who lives in California, this was at the start of the quarantine. He told me that all these neighbors in the community near him were leaving out big boxes of the fruit that they grew in their garden with their trees. And they were for all neighbors to share. This inspired me to want to grow things, to share it with the neighbors in my community.
If everybody planted a little garden, we would stamp out hunger.
We don't exactly have a big enough yard, so we had to get creative.
I love away. Now, welcome to our garden.
I know what you're thinking. It's inside, not outside in the dirt. But you can grow this kind of garden too.
We growed it from vegetable cuttings instead of throwing them away.
Big bonus. We're being sustainable because we're growing our own food, and we're not being wasteful because we're not throwing the scraps away. Our garden started with one green scallion onion. It grew super big. It became our pride. We named it Green Scallion Giants because it's so big.
When we measured our green onion yesterday, it was 17 inches long.
So I'm using this green scallion to use it for tacos tonight and top it. So how you save this is you cut 3 to 4 inches of the scallion and you put it in water, and each day you pour the water out and then you put new water in.
We save these little yogurt containers. We fill it up, then we put the scallion in.
Oh, we cut this up yesterday, and this is how much growth you get in a day. See that new little green part? And isn't it so cool to look at the root system? Growing your own food helps you learn how to take care of things, and that's good. So you might be wondering what else you can grow with scraps.
Lesson and cabbages are really easy to grow.
Leeks and shallots too.
Onions?
Onions, olives, ginger, cacao. No celery. Share what you're growing in your garden with your neighbors.
And make sure you send some pictures of what you're growing with us. We would love to see that.